Once you have successfully logged in your compliance tickets for all of your transactions, the next step is to actually perform your transactions. For example, an issuance from Treasury is located under daily activity, as are all of the items that could possibly be used on a day-to-day basis. For example, transferring your certificates, the issuance, as well as a cancellation if any items need to be canceled back into Treasury. Going to run through the issuance. The system asks for the compliance ticket. And you'll note all of the information from the original compliance that you logged in has been retained and is reiterated on the screen. CUshare has the ability to not only issue physical certificates but also book certificates, as well as fast positions if the company happens to be a fast issue. To perform your issuance, you merely identify the shareholder to which you are going to assign the shares. If you do not know the CU internal account number or the tax ID number, you may perform the search to do an alpha lookup. After you've identified the shareholder, you specify the certificate, either book or the physical pieces that you want to issue. If you don't know the next numeric book position, clicking on Next Book Certificate, the system will then assign the number for you, noting the number of shares and which share reserve this is coming out of. That's all there was to issue a book certificate. Now for physical pieces, you would tell the system how many certificates and the number of shares. File your transaction, and the balance has now been met back to the control total. That is the end of the transaction. You immediately have a link where you can go back and look at the actual compliance along with the updated status. You will note it is now audited. You can come into the user activity, and you can then see the actual issuance that you have just performed.